Thank you, Rebecca. What would you do if you knew that you could not fail? Our mobile application, Kaiketsu, which is Japanese for resolution, sets out to answer that very question. It allows users to explore goal achievement in an encouraging and inspiring setting. So, to put a finer point on it, it's a tool that allows you to accomplish your goals. Now, whether those goals be related to health and wellness, personal well-being, or your career, our app provides a landing platform for daily goal setting and check-in, as well as a form of accountability needed to see a goal to fruition and thereby create new habits. We as a team saw a need for an application that was flexible enough to meet these criteria, so we set out to build it for ourselves. Now, by encouraging daily check-in, we break down larger goals into smaller pieces and provide a higher success rate in achieving those. In conceiving this project, we knew from very early on that we wanted to have a very distinct visual aesthetic. So we sought after a hand-drawn, sort of dreamlike feel that would not only encourage users to come back daily, but would also provide a very gratifying experience. So with that in mind, we developed 3 distinct visual templates, each of which represents a category of goal that a user can choose. And we've constructed our app so that that visual DNA will follow a user throughout their experience based on their choice. And by implementing this, we're able to provide a dynamic user experience that's truly unique and highly functional, and will give users a framework for achieving meaningful tasks. And now I'm going to turn it over to Deanna, and she's going to give us a walkthrough of what a typical user experience might look like.
Thank you, Taylor. Taylor did an amazing job creating the art for Kaiketsu. His illustrated icons here are category specific, and you may notice their themes reappearing throughout our site. Our previously logged in sample user, Christine, wishes to create a goal in the professional category. Here, we left the goal and the goal's purpose inputs open-ended. We wanted it to feel like a journal entry as a way to make the process of goal setting less daunting and more natural. So Christine here wants to practice coding every day for 90 days in order to land a developer job. Cohort 3, wouldn't we all agree that that's an achievable goal? Christine now logs her first day. For each goal, we are able to see a graph of progress in 30-day increments along with a percentage of progress made. If we go to the trophy room, we can see that Christine's actually completed 2 of her goals already. Should she want to add a new goal, she can click on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Turning to her dashboard now, we can see that she has 3 goals currently in progress. Looking at her personal goal to talk to someone new each day, we're able to see that she has 10 days remaining and has had 91.2% engagement. Going back to her dashboard again, let's take a closer look at her first goal: to create an ink drawing each day for 30 days to improve her drafting skills. She only has 1 day remaining. Upon her final check-in, she is congratulated, and this goal will then move to her trophy room. Team Kaiketsu utilized goal setting of our own by creating short-term goals in sprints or time-boxed efforts in order to complete this app in 2 weeks' time. I tracked our team's progress through the use of a Trello board to ensure we were sticking to our development timeline and creating everything the user needed in our app. And now Fawn is going to walk us through the development process.
Thank you, Deanna. Kaiketsu is composed of a Django REST framework backend and a React frontend. With Django REST framework, we created an API specifically to be consumed by a front-end React application. We use the API to log in and register users through token authentication, respond to user inputs, and send user information and data about their goals to the front end. With React, we chose it as our front-end technology because it provides modular structure and organization to JavaScript, allowing for greater complexity and interactivity. With React, we've created a seamless user interface that guides users through our carefully constructed pages, responsive interface, and dreamlike environment. In our design process, we created mock-ups based on a user's best fit for a user's experience and created complex CSS to match those mock-ups. We ran into a few challenges through our application development, such as routing and React and connecting the authentication system to React. But our most significant challenge was probably the automation of user data creation. The app requires that users log in every day to log their goals, but the data still needs to update if the user misses a day. So we integrated an asynchronous task manager into our backend to automate the process of user data creation. Looking forward, future iterations of Kaiketsu will implement features such as integration with services like Fitbit or Mint to more accurately represent user goal accomplishment and also create more interactive components to make the app more engaging.
Thank you, Huang. So as you can see, we believe that we've created an app that's got a wide variety of uses and has the ability to bring value to users both in their daily life and hopefully in the long term. So with Kaiketsu, we hope to see your resolutions become a reality. Thank you.